Where did she go now?
And why are you looking for my sister?
Nothing actually.
Okay, if you say so. But be careful.
Please, I don't want your father to hear about this, please. Don't tell him.
Don't worry. I won't tell.
Hey! Where is Uwa?
She's inside.
Uwa! Uwa! Come here.
Yes, Daddy, I'm coming.
What's wrong with you? I called all of you here today because there's something very important. I want to personally check myself. I want to check myself which of you is still a virgin.
Aha! Hey! So that it has gotten to that extent, right?
Will you show your mouth? And you, since your mouth is sharpened, if you see how we start to hear, come here. Hey, just come here.
Of a woman now. Papa, this is abuse. You are abusing us. You are abusing us. Papa, stop this. Stop this. Thank God. Thank God.
Hey! My husband!
What is it?
Hey! What were you trying to do?
Mommy, ask him.
What does it look like? I want to personally check by myself of the rumors that I'm hearing. I want to know which of them is still a virgin.
But Daddy, this is not your duty.
What do you know?
She don't know anything.
What is it under the green grass? Agua!
What is agua?
Abomination!
I want to check my children personally by myself if they are still virgins.
Hey!
Agua.
I will put my hands on my ears now and shout so that the whole world will hear.
What is underneath?
Illebors. My husband.
Yes.
You get it.
Thank you, Mommy.
My husband. My husband. You are going too far. You are going too far. Next time you will try it, Next time you will try it, you will know the kind of woman you marry. I will shout and the whole world will hear you.
It's only shout you are shouting for. That's how you spoil to them now. They can do anything. No check, no balance.
No problem. No problem.
This one, you never say the end. She's still a virgin.
That is what my father has been doing to us. To an extent of checking us if we are still virgins.
You don't mean it. Tell me it's not true.
That's exactly what has been going on right now.
You see, girlfriend, you need to be wise. I mean, for how long will this continue?
Anita, so what should I do now?
Come, let me tell you.
This idiot let me pick a call. He will not pick his call, I've seen somebody like this before. Martins, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You sent for me, sir.
Yes, I did. What's your way?
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. You know, I don't have problem. You see, Martins,
Sir.
I have been observing the way you are dancing and dancing kulukere around my children. And I have come to realize that it is better you go now before something worse happens. So I decided, you understand, I decided that personally by myself with my own hands, wrote this. And I'm telling you, I give you from now till month end to pack out of my house.
I don't understand. No, what are you talking about?
Martins, so take it from me!
Ogala Lord, I've not done anything wrong to be given a quick notice. And besides, I still have 2 months left for my rent to get expired.
Will you take this thing from my hand?
Ogala Lord, what you are doing is not fair. It's not fair now.
See, no problem. No problem. You don't have to do anything for me to say to leave my house for me. Abi, Imam we go Obera Hotel Bodoya Boabedo. Did I collect money from your father to build my house? I can tell you to leave anytime without any reason. It is my house. And I know you like money. People love money more than even your life. For your money, and you save like I think about 2 months for it to expire. I will give you back your money so you can go elsewhere and get another.
Ogala Lord, that is not the point. That is not the point. Why do you expect me to start looking for a house in less than a month, like you said? It's not possible now. It's not possible. See, you just have to do something. You just have to do something.
Martins, you know I'm a very gentleman. I don't like problem. But, like I said, I am giving you between now and end of the month. Go and rent somewhere else. And if you don't leave, you will know why I'm called Illebors.
That will not happen. That will not happen. I mean, what have I done? I'm helping your daughters. When you are not in the house, I will help them. I will make sure they are okay. I will do one or two things to
help. Help will kill you. I say, oh boy. Who can you remember now? Obi Bodan. Help you. Oh, your help will kill you. Do my children look like children who need help? No Zua. See, I'm giving you to the end of the month. If you don't leave, so let me tell you, I don't even need a lawyer to get you out of
you get one. Ogala, I say you get one.
It is me.
I'm not leaving this house. All the things I've been doing for you. See, I'm not leaving this house.
Martins, don't worry. Itabimbo, just 50 naira Morocco. You get those boys to get their cane. By the time they come here, you will run and leave your
Moa. Me. Imo State boy. You don't know what you're saying. See that you call for street meeting, you call your lawyer, we will discuss this matter again.
Oh, Martins, you will press up. He told that I want to strike you, he's doing press up right now. Where me? Small boy. Idiot. On that one, we press up. Yeah. Wait, sir. You are nothing but encyclopedia Nikoko Banza. Thank you, my dear. So, honey, I think and I feel that I am doing the best for our daughters. As I said before, I fell off sleep just now. Doing the best for them.
My husband. The man of the house. I think your name should be Mr. Dua. My husband. Do you think what you are doing is the best? By telling them, what is the name again? Martins to pack out of the house. No, it's not the best. By overprotecting your children, all our children, it's not the best, my dear. Please, I am begging you, allow these children be. Because they are big, they are grown enough. They can take care of themselves.
See, dear, I am the man of the house. It is my sole responsibility to do whatever I choose to do in this house, and that is final.
I know you are the man of the house. I know you can do whatever that pleases you. You are the heir of this family. But my husband, don't live to regret this. So that at the end you will say, oh, I died, no, I would have listened to my wife.
This way.
Okay. Yes. I can't bear this any longer. I can't bear this.
Please now, please.
I can't bear this any longer. Ah, God.
What is all this? You are saying now, eh? Don't allow the children to come and meet us like this. Don't allow. You please stay now. Please now.
Remember the last time. You told our children that the landlord, the former landlord impregnated me. I can't bear this alone longer. You have to go and tell your family first before you will come for me.
Remember our
Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone.
Where's the girl you come? Let me dress and follow her. No, I know. Don't worry. Waiting here. Where are all these children? Uwa! Osato! Osas! Where is Osas! Where are these children?
Papa!
Yeah, at me.
Daddy, you're back.
No, I'm not back.
Daddy, welcome. Stop pushing me.
Oh. So, what have you been doing at home that you did not come to the store?
Daddy, we are sorry. We were tired. That's why we decided to rest at home. And I'm feeling feverish.
You were so tired.
Yes.
And you were resting. And you all left the work for this little child to be doing the store alone.
Daddy, I've been having headaches since I was managing it since.
Oh, you have become headache manager. We are managing headache. So your own is feverish.
No, malaria.
Your own is all malaria.
My body is
Daddy, no,
body pain.
Daddy, what did you bring now? Did you bring the bread I told you to tell mommy?
I did not bring it. I forgot.
Oh, you came empty-handed.
Are you mad?
Hey!
People, you never cook. She finish working there, she come and start bringing you food for you at home.
She's not the last one of this house.
It's our duty. Let her do this work. Have I not been doing
Last
that?
one more.
Am I not playing? It's our turn.
No, work.
Yes.
Let me beat them. You will do it. After all you have done in the store, you come and work here at home.
I'm not tired. I'll do it.
No, my dear, no, you need to rest. This is the only good child I have in this town.
See, you know you're very beautiful. You know you're very. See, you know what? I calculate when your panels did theirs.
Yes, sir. Sister. What was that?
Sister, nothing.
Oh, you're telling me nothing? So you mean I was blind, right? I'm ashamed of you. You're such a big disgrace.
Sister, I'm sorry now.
Look at you. Oh, you even wore my slippers that I've been looking for, right? I'm really disappointed in you.
Sister, I'm sorry.
You're such a disgrace.
Sister, please, I'm sorry now.
Baby. Not going to say not going to not going to I'm happy to say I'm part of the store. When you buy the store, you buy the store, you digital for store.
It's in the store. You come back.
You know,
It's here, sir. That's good. Oh, so it has gotten to that stage that you now bring men home and relax and balance in my house.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I see you people now are intending in-laws. So you had the guts to leave your parents' house, went into every corner, then came to my house. Illebors Nui. So you are not scared, you are not afraid for your life.
Papa, if I say you don't know me, oh.
Tell her, never do.
Now maybe Shakara. Shakara too nice. I too go nice, oh. That's why I just want to be nice with one of your daughter.
Blessing us with the dread.
Okay, and you're also nice too.
You're going to be nice. I want the nice woman, then I'm maximum.
Oh, you give maximum support to them. Maximum support. That's nice.
Yes,
So I like that necklace in your neck.
Shakara! Why are you running? Where are you going?
You know, I don't want your father's problem.
Please, I'm sorry. If it's because of the last incident you both had, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Alright, it's okay. But I still have to go, okay? I'm too nice to have a problem with anybody.
Stop! Shakara! Shakara, wait!
You're selecting rice. And you're busy pressing phone. What's wrong with you? You drop that phone and get this rice.
Mom that gave it to me.
Let her be. I gave her the phone. Remember, she is my last born. She's my pet.
Sorry. But Mom, do you know you're corrupting her? What's this? I don't like it. I really don't like it.
I sent you a message. Where is my money?
Before I got there, they said she had already left the house for work.
You mean this man refused to pay my money?
I didn't say her, Mom, please. Stop selling credit. I'm really tired. I can't go and start drawing money for you again. I'm tired. Stop it.
For how many weeks now? I think I know what to do.
I'm tired.
I'll go there myself.
And you're still pressing the phone.
Please. Uwa, let my daughter.
Baby. I said, where do you start from?
But over your poor, my father, I don't know my father come and see me. Let's go.
Wait now.
Stawa. I'm so angry. And I'm sad at the same time. The fact that Mommy is no longer in this house is making things worse. And Father's attitude is becoming so unbearable. And I can't take it. It's okay. I'm tired of that attitude too. The ill treatment is given to us hurts me every day. And considering the fact that Mom is not here, it hurts me more. Oh my God. I wish he can just die.
Sister, I'm tired of this nonsense, so I'm tired.
It's okay. Or should we just poison him and just die and go? He might kill us. Okay. You know what? We are not going to poison him. And he will die one day. I hope so. Just die. Somebody here! Somebody here!
I said, Chris! Are you sure you're okay? I don't think they're not touching you.
What?
Why are you following this road like this now?
I was coming back from my mommy's store.
Where you study? Start going, run! Some girls, they take risk.
Etiosa, what are you doing there?
Sister, nothing.
You're pregnant, are you?
No, sister, I'm not pregnant.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Sister, I said I'm not pregnant.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
I'm not pregnant.
Let it not just be what I'm thinking. You know better than this house. You know how to finish and be Papa, you called us.
Yes. Uwa,
Yes, Daddy.
this is your family.
Yes, sir.
I will not want to embarrass you before the world. So I called for this in-house meeting so I will talk as one family. Uwa. Who impregnated you?
Pregnancy. Sister, in this house.
Hey!
Uwa,
Daddy.
who have you been sleeping with?
Hey. Daddy. Hey.
If you don't talk to your family, so I'll keep your secrets within ourselves. I will drag you to the street, mess you up, embarrass you, call for us to test you openly, and the whole world will clap on your head.
Daddy, I'll tell you, Daddy.
Yeah, talk.
You know that brother? That brother that used to stay there, Brother Martins. He touched me 5 times.
Yay! Sister.
So
That name is not true.
Martins made you pregnant.
That brother that used to come with that Shakara that used to stay in that place. He touched me.
Oh,
3 times.
men. Not even once. Not.
That brother that used to stay in that next 2 streets.
Hey!
He used to call Brother Jude.
Hi.
He touched me. So I don't know that day. I don't know the person. But I think Brother Martin will get married to me.
You think?
I love him.
Yes. What is he talking about love? Hi!
Oh,
I can see
disappointment.
Daddy, please.
So, upon all I do, forming a protective coverage around you, you're going to disgrace me and pay me back like
Oh, no, Daddy.
It's alright.
Daddy, please. Daddy.
Stop.
Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy, please.
this is the case of the pot calling the charcoal black. It's unfortunate. Etunsa, who is responsible for your own pregnancy?
Hey! Even you! Hey, we are covered with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Holy Ghost. Hey, Holy Ghost. Fire.
Come here.
Okay. Get up. Come. Respect your father. Get up.
It's who?
Maximum. Hey. Papa, no. Just one. Small one.
Your own is just one person.
Just one, small one.
That one is traceable. You can trace your own.
Daddy, please now. Daddy, forgive me, please. Forgive me.
So what's the going on?
Shakara, I understand. You guys know the bucket fee. You don't go visit that one person to do something. I understand.
Do it till they do.
Now, two of you tell me, which of you impregnated my daughter? I'm talking to you, you're looking at me.
I just come. Which kind of question be that one Papa can't they ask now?
Oh. Now, look at their eyes. Which of them did this to you? Which of them did it to you? You won't talk?
Papa, is him.
You are the one. You are the one that impregnated my daughter. So you are the one.
Sir.
Papa! You're ready to marry. You will do again now. Oh, Bojaela.
Eh? Where? This is not the time. Oh, now I'm going to hear your Bojaela. This is not the time. It's already late. It's already late.
Ijuwa, what do you want me to do now? What will I do now?
Eh?
What do you want me to do now?
I will put my hands in my ears and shout. The whole world will know that my husband has impregnated two of his children.
What? It's not possible.
Who is pregnant? Can see because of you. Etiosa is pregnant. All thanks to you. Because when I was telling you my husband leave these children alone, they have grown. My husband leave these children alone. You told me that I am the one spoiling them. I am the one spoiling them.
No.
I will go to the media and shout.
Ijuwa, please take it easy now. You know my intentions now. I had the intention of making them become better children. That's why I was protecting them, keeping them in their house, monitoring.
Then you gave them a tenant that impregnated them.
Oh.
You gave them a tenant. You have a tenant in your house that impregnated all your children. Eh? Everyone, I will shout, oh. I will shout. The whole world will hear this, oh. That my husband has impregnated his children, oh. I will shout. I will shout, oh. You have impregnated your children. I will shout. The other time when I was talking to them, you said I am the one spoiling them. I said my husband, please leave these children alone. They have grown. He said no.
I thought
no.
you were pampering them. That it's good to be high-handed for this. I did. Oh God. What have cost?
My husband, come and give me my children. No. You know what? Come here. Come here. My husband has impregnated his children. No. My husband has impregnated.
Let's go inside.
No.
You know it's not me now.
It's not you. It's not you. It's not you.
What kind of life? What kind
Look
of
at
life is this?
Uwa slept with 5 boys.
Uwa's case is worse. She just became free area.
Okay.
She was donating here. She became a philanthropist.
Oh God. I am not sure.
Oh, I became a philanthropist.
Maybe the money you're.
No, you know the most painful part. Osato that I thought I trusted. I heard from a reliable source that Osato has done 5 abortions.
Hey!
5 that Osato has become a regular name in the clinic. Now each time Osato is just walking past, they know what she has come for. They just prepare the theater.
Hey!
Oh, I am finished. Oh, I'm finished.
Hey! Illebors, you have killed me! You have killed me, Illebors! You have killed me! Illebors, you have killed me! Hey! Everybody come by here! Come by here! My husband have killed me! My husband have killed me! You should come on! My husband have impregnated his daughter, son! My husband have impregnated his daughter, son! I think I should go and prepare your favorite, right? You will eat. Come inside and eat. Come and meet me inside and eat and even do. And you are good at that now. You know that is your favorite. Come inside. I am waiting for you.
Uwa. Amuwo. To who it may concern. Free area. Anybody can park. The internet is free. No code. You can browse it easily. Osato, oh. Champion. Hey! Osato has finished me. Look at you, sir. As tiny as that one is. I don't know what they saw in her body. Oh. Illebors, you caused it all. It is all my fault.